everyone, welcome to Girl in the City. Today's recipe is bhindi fry with onion. So let's check out the recipe. Heat a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. For bhindi fry, we need little bit more oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, that is jeera, pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. Now add few green chilies. Here I have taken some roughly chopped onion and okra, that is bhindi. Add the onions and cook for few minutes. If you don't eat onion, skip the onion and follow the rest of the recipe. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or paprika powder and cook until the raw smell is gone. Now add the bhindi or okra and cook for few minutes. Initially, it will be sticky, but once the bhindi or okra cook properly, it won't be sticky anymore. Once it cooked, add salt as per taste and mix it properly. At the end, add little tomato ketchup. It's optional, but I like it. Bhindi fry is ready to serve. Enjoy this with your chapati or rice. Subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon and share